Hi everybody, this is video 2 for the RISE tips and tricks. In this video, I'm going to continue to show you how you can create more efficient ways of finding your students. In the last video, I showed you how to customize the columns as well as the filters in the IEP menu. In this video, I'm going to take what I did from the first video and show you how to pin it to your home screen so that as soon as you log in, you've got your students listed there for you, and you don't have to go into the IEP menu at all. So what I'm going to do here is, based off of what I did in the last video, I'm going to type in my name here, and you can see that only my students are listed. And then I'm simply just going to click on the pin to menu. And this screen will appear, and it'll ask you to check off either pin to dashboard or pin to main menu. What we're going to do is pin to dashboard. Main menu is not applicable at this time, so we don't need to worry about that. We're just going to click on pin to dashboard. And I'm going to hit save. And you'll notice nothing's changed here, but it did say items pinned up here. So now I'm going to click on my home button, and you'll see that that list of students that I had created in the IEP page is now in a smaller menu. As soon as I log in, this is the home screen. This is what I'll see. So I'll demonstrate that. So if I went to log out of RISE and log back in, you'll see that menu is right there in front of you as soon as you log in. So super, super handy. And I can customize this menu further as well. So if I click on the pencil button, the edit button here, I can do a few things here to make this, I can set this up to my preference. So I'm going to change the title of this to test to my test students. So I can change the title of that menu to whatever I like. I'm also going to add in a couple of different columns here that I prefer. So I'm actually going to put in student name and uncheck those two, because when I have student first name and last name, that's two separate columns that take up space instead of having student name, which is just one column. Then I'm also going to add in student grade. And again, you can customize this however you want. I'm also going to add in IEP status so I can see what status they are in the phase of development they're in. And from there, I can set up other filters as well, but because I've already filtered some things in the IEP menu, like I demonstrated in the last video, it's not totally necessary, and it's a little bit more cumbersome in this menu anyway. So I'm going to leave that. So I'm going to hit save, and now you can see I've got my new menu based off of those search items that I created. I've now got this, what RISE refers to it as a widget. So I've got my widget set up, but it's a little small. I can't see all of the names of everything here. So what I'm going to do is click on Arrange Widget, and I'm just going to drag and resize that menu. So now I can see a little bit more of the items. It's a little bit clearer, and I'm going to hit Save Changes, and now I'm ready to go. As soon as I log in, I've got my students with their IEPs, the grade, and then the status of their IEP development. I can also create other menus based off of my search results over here. So I'm going to change this. I'm going to click on, if I just wanted my grade 4 students, I'm going to click on grade 4, mark, and now I'm going to click on pin again, pin to dashboard. And now here you can see that I've got another menu, but this time it's just my grade 4 students. So you can really customize how you're creating these widgets and having them set up in your home screen. As soon as you log in, you're ready to go. You can find your IEPs without having to go to the search screen.